Hello, Theater 1. This is a video based on your pantomime, your first performance in this class. Week 2 when we're already performing. I know it's scary, but it's going to be exciting as well. For those of you who are not comfortable, keep watching. I can't guarantee you'll still be comfortable, but you will know what's happening. Yeah. Part of theater and part of performing and just part of living is stepping outside of your comfort zone. I'm going to ask you to step outside your comfort zones when you submit this, just as you'll see later in this video, stepped outside my comfort zone. So, what is pantomime? Well, pantomime is performing without speaking. You should have known that from those of you who passed the term test, which should be all of you. But it's deeper than that. Pantomime means no props. Everything is mimed, meaning if you were going to take a drink of water, you couldn't just grab your water bottle. You would have to pretend. Like so. So not only are you not speaking, but you're not using any props. The only thing you are allowed to use is your body to tell your tale. Now you can make noises. I can't just speak. You'll see in the performance that I do end up making some noises. So if you need to, just help along. Try to avoid making noises for things. I believe I made a key click when I opened the chest, but you're not supposed to do that. So shame on me. Even though objects are not there, such as the water bottle, they should have weight. So you aren't just throwing things up in the air. You have a water and you slug it around and you feel it, and then you drink it. You are allowed one chair in your performance. Just one, but you are allowed a chair. Now, why am I asking you to do pantomime and not just moving on to scripts or monologues or scenes? Pantomime allows you to focus on your body. I find, especially in this digital age, a lot of performing happens with the face and with the voice. But I want you to use your whole body, your whole range of motion to be able to tell your story. It makes you work on focusing as well. Not giving you any lines to focus on, not giving you any props to focus on. You're really going to be focusing on character. It also helps you to establish good character habits, such as making facial expressions, being angry, and just overall showing your emotions. You're going to see a lot of emotions in the video that I have prepared for you, so I put myself out on a limb. I don't normally do this, so this is a treat for you, Theater 1 people. Everyone else doesn't get to see me perform. And whether it's a treat or not is kind of up to your opinion. So, the assignment is a 2-minute scene. Scene's got to be 2 minutes long. No talking or props. You can't have a chair. Now, normally, in the before times, I did 4 pantomime performances. You guys will only have to do 2. Because of that, you guys get to choose which performance you are going to be doing for this assignment. You can either do I call it the trunk scene, where you go into an attic, you find a trunk or chest, where you keep old things. You find out what is in that chest, you kind of have that experience, and then you leave the area. Or you can have a scene where you are trapped somewhere. You either wake up trapped, or you fall into a trap. We see you trying to escape that trap, and then we see you either leave or succumb to the trap. In that one, you can die. That is allowed. The scene should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. There should be some rising tension throughout. We should be able to understand where this is happening and why this is happening. You are also being graded on your character, commitment, and clarity. Character means that you are showing emotion, that you are portraying the scene. Commitment means you're not breaking focus. You're not laughing. You are not goofing around. With this assignment, or this way that we're doing this, it's probably easier to have commitment. If you goof up, you could just start the recording again. Can't really do that live. And last but not least, you need to have clarity. So make sure that we, the audience, understand what exactly is happening. In addition to this assignment, to the actual performance, you need to also respond in your journal. Well, I put journal in quotes there. But you really need to just answer the 3 questions that are scrolling up the screen right now. There they go. They're also linked in the assignment page. So you need to submit this assignment via Schoology or Flipgrid. I prefer Flipgrid. I can comment way easier. I can even make a video response in Flipgrid. I cannot do the same in Schoology. If that is not possible, if you're not comfortable submitting with Flipgrid, well, two things. If you don't want your video to be seen, let me know, and only I will watch it. But if you are unable to post a video for some reason, please reach out to me via email, and we'll set up a time for you to do the performance live. I'm here at school from 7:30 to 2:40. So anytime during that window, anytime during this week, please reach out, and we will schedule a time for you to perform. And now, time for my performance. Hello, my name is Mr. Parsons, and I will be presenting a pantomime called It's a Trap. Oh, before we go, one last thing. You must slate. What I mean by slate is that you give your name, your full name, and the name of the scene at the beginning, and that when you are done, you say scene. Just the word scene. Cool. I look forward to seeing your performances. If you are struggling, freaking out, generally don't know what to do, please reach out to me or watch one of the examples posted on the Hyperdoc. Cool. I am excited. Bye, everybody. See you next week.